nangyayari na naman ngayon?
Because no motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept by this house?
Respect tradition.
Hindi nga, pinagtatanong nyo siya eh. Meron pang pratidila, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano ang pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya eh?
Ito ang balita ngayon.
You have to get the opinion of the members.
There is no rule about that.
You have to get the opinion of the members. Diba? You have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Tatapusin muna.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin ah.
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair, petition lang. May motion, seconded. Then magtanong ka kung may objection. Pero no object na deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Yun. Let's follow the procedure. Pagdating pag may objection, may deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition. Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pindutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako, Madam Chair.
Incidental lang. Ako rin nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. You could have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection.
Bago po yung
Yes, but sabi din,
I was asking for an answer.
the answer is
The answer niya is for your tradition.
Sabi ko mayroong tradition, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Dapat gusto muna. Kasi yung palasagot, nag-move ka, nag-motion lang. Kasi nga eh.
Excuse po. Opo.
and it's extended at the start. At the start, it is extended before intervention. This is required because the petition is suspended, and it is also introduced by a member who should be parts of the motion. So it's not a petition. There's no such authorization to set it aside.
Magano na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record.
Ito, di na kami kasi. Siyempre po, sabi tayo po ito.
Wala na dapat ang nangyari, a barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking, bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept by the house? Hindi nga, pinagtatanong niyo siya. Meron pang pratinela, whatever, that is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano na pinagtatanong niyo sa kanila? These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong mo ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya na, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh. Ibrantinelo pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pang-labing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No promotion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Wala man lang...
You can read the records. You did not make the
Sana may motion siya ngayon.
That is the manifestation of the Constance Nasoleta, and it should be answered by the members. You put motion, then after that, Nasoleta will not the motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot eh? Will you let this Nasoleta to speak? And then we will make the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna.
You can introduce the motion, but have a member.
Or move a motion, parliamentary.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the question.
Sagutin muna. Then saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. No, goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
After my first answer, your query or your manifestation, then after that,
Chairman na tinatanong ko, pira naman sa ako. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede magsalita? We are also member with just the same. Alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has to answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the chairman.
Bakit magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, Pacman, feel ang salita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Pwede ba yung dati? Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Ano yung chairman ng House?
Sasagutin naman yung voice. Kasi tayo siya.